Hi there, this is Aaron Lin with another project management training video for you. And in this video, I want to talk about some of the most common mistakes that business owners make when trying to adopt a project management tool for their business. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And there'll also be a link in the description about my private consulting services if you need some more help setting up your project management tool, especially if it's Asana. So here are the most common mistakes. The first one is not having a project management tool at all. So I know a lot of business owners try to organize things in spreadsheets, on post-it notes, in paper to-do pads, or even in the task list in their Outlook. And that just isn't project management. That might be okay if you're just starting out, but eventually once you start getting 2+ team members, 3 or 4 more clients at a time, you are going to need a full-fledged project management tool like Asana or ClickUp or Trello or Jira or whatever it is you want to use. The second most common mistake I see is that they don't get their team to buy into the tool. So what happens is they start out a business, their team is using spreadsheets or some tool that they've picked on their own, and they really like it, and they're used to using it. And they try to roll out, or the business owner tries to roll out a new project management tool, let's say Asana, and it faces resistance from the team because they're used to doing things one way. So getting the team to buy in, to adopt the tool, to really go to bat for the tool is something that's very important when adopting a project management tool. And it's a very common mistake to forget about the team and just be like, okay, we're going to use this from now on. Because what'll end up is you'll pay for this really great project management tool and nobody will use it. And that's something that I also help people with when I do consulting work for them, for project management. The third most common mistake I see with project management tools is the confusion between a personal task management tool and a business's project management tool. Now, personal task management tools like OmniFocus, like things like Todoist, like any popular Todoist app you can download on your phone, those are great. Those are great for your personal at-home tasks, even amongst your family. But for work, they are not designed for that purpose. I know a lot of them try to, but they're really not built for that. What you want are the robust enterprise business grade tools like Asana, like ClickUp, like Jira, like Trello, anything with Kanban boards, with lists, with multiple calendars, views, and collaboration and team sharing. You want to use those. Now, it doesn't mean you discard your personal task management tool. It just means that you learn to use the two tools together for the two different things you have, your business and your personal life. Now, the last most common mistake that I see when people adopt a project management tool is what I like to call mass confusion. So what people like to do is they go on the internet, they go on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook or wherever, and they search for how to do project management or how to use Jira or how to use Trello. And they come across all these great videos by successful coaches, consultants, celebrities, business owners. And these videos usually show that person's particular setup in the project management tool. And what people don't understand is that these people are experts in their field. They might be great fitness coaches, they might be great diet coaches, they might be great mindset coaches, but they are not project management coaches or professionals. They are simply using a system that they have built based on the idiosyncrasies of their personalities and how they run their business. And the crazy thing is, if you look in the comments of these videos, you'll say, oh, that's awesome, this is the best thing ever. But if you actually sit down and go through the project management setup, you'll see that there are a lot of things that are being done that are just bad habits, and that when the business starts to scale, it creates problems because the project management tool hasn't been set up correctly in the first place. The irony is you're probably watching this on YouTube or another video platform, but don't conflate the success of a person in one particular industry or field with their ability to give advice across every field. So that would be like, going to your very successful accountant and asking for medical advice, or going to your doctor and asking for financial and investing advice. The two don't mix together. Just because you're great in one thing, it doesn't necessarily mean that you know everything about everything. So the last mistake, just to repeat, is what I like to call mass confusion, which is don't mistake the idiosyncrasies of someone's particular project management setup, meaning that it is the standard and it should be applied to your business as well. And so those are the 4 most common mistakes that I see people make when it comes to adopting a project management tool in their business. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you need some more personalized help with your project management, please feel free to reach out to me with the link in the description below.